Hi folks, and thank you for spending some time with me today on this video presentation of this new 2019 Jayco 264, and it is a bunkhouse model without a slide out. It's one of the most common, most popular non-slides in that 26-foot size that gives you a separate sitting area, a separate dining area, two nice big beds in the back, good sized bathroom area, and of course a full walk-around bed up front. We'll start on the inside and we'll finish up on the outside. On the new 19s here for Jayco, they're just kind of rolling in, so we're getting better ideas on kind of how they're making some changes, but essentially a little bit of color differences inside, some of the little different fabrics. One of the big ones I do like on the counters now, kind of really nice look to it, more like a granite type style, and it's you know, it doesn't have any seams on that edge of it here too, which I like really well. So I like what they've done there with the counters. This model again being a bunkhouse model with a walk around bed, having a separate sitting and dining area, both that can be made into optional beds as well. And you do have the back area here showing you of course both bunk areas with these nice padded, nice comfortable sleeping mattresses here. You've got an emergency escape window up there and some additional lighting up there with some curtains that swing across here that will give you some privacy for those that are sleeping and going to bed earlier. If we look in the bathroom, we'll see that we have a nice tub shower in there, a big light, you've got a foot pedal flush toilet, and you know, plenty of room inside the bathroom and lots of natural light. You're seeing that on a kind of cloudy day. Also the sink right here, of course, when you come out, you'll have your medicine cabinet and your sink there to wash up. So if anybody wanted to be brushing their teeth while somebody was showering using the toilet, it gives that versatility versus sometimes where you have a bathroom where they're all contained in one. This makes it a little more versatile that way. This also has a larger refrigerator with the Jayco on the Rocky Mountain edition that this particular trailer I believe has, is going to give you a larger 8 cubic foot, which is also really nice too for having more storage area in there, which we really like to have. Can't get enough, right? So that's nice there. You do have your 3-burner stove top and your oven, microwave over here, and again this is a split 50-50 sink, but it does have a nice depth to it, and you have your pull down faucet that we have with a single lever, which is really nice as well too. A little storage overhead here that you got, and then you also end up having it over on this side, additional storage too. They do have nice cabinets. They still kind of have that rich look to them, kind of more of a darker color espresso. Really nice mortise and tenon cabinet joins on those. Your TV here that you're going to be able to work with that entertainment center, so you can put a DVD in there, watch a movie if you see fit, or listen to some music through that as well too. When we go over into the from the main living area over into the front master bedroom, you do have, for the most part, it's private. Does have a more open feel by having more of a half wall here, so you get a kind of more open area there if you need to. You'd have nightstands on both sides of the bed, and you have some soft storage area that you can put some things up here. Does have little LED lights for map lights there, for reading lights, and you do end up having your hanging closets on both sides here, as well as dark shades for in the bed area. And I believe living now too also still has that that area for privacy. So nice to have that. There'll be a little storage underneath the bed here, I believe, that lifts up too. So you have that, gives you storage all the way past through the pass-through, as well as access from inside here. So it's real nice storage there. So we'll go ahead and head on the outside and show you a few of those features too as well. Jayco's been around for a long time, probably about 52 years, and about as long as Guaranty has. And they have started to go along with the Goodyear tire brand, which is nice for national warranty when you're traveling and stuff. So that's something that they kind of have more recently. This option right here is the Baja Edition, and the Baja Edition is going to have the bigger, larger tires and wheels, and again Goodyear. You're also going to end up having a larger freshwater tank, and you do have a larger propane tanks up front as well. We'll show you some of those things. This is an outside storage area that's underneath that that lower bed. You can see how deep that is, so that gives you lots of storage there. You do end up having, while we're on this patio side here, if you kind of can look and see, we do have a nice power awning that also ends up having the speakers, which I believe, hold on a second here, I believe they might be incorporated this year in the awnings. So just to further investigate on that, I will. But of course, the number at the end of this video, you can call me. I can confirm that information for you if you want. But I believe it does have speakers built in. The So you've got your grab assist handle, we pointed out as well too by the main door. As you come along towards the back end here, you are going to have a nice ladder, which surprisingly some companies don't do that. It's nice to have that ladder for access up at the top if you need to. At Guarantee here, we do free roof inspections twice a year for our customers if needed, so that's nice to know. You also have the spare tire on this particular floor plan and model. You do have easy access to your black and gray outlet right here. It's really easy to get to. It's nice to have. Outside shower. It does have a black tank flush, which is nice to have for helping to flush that sewer tank out. You do have your power supply here and your city water connection. We do have pass-through. We showed part of that. You kind of get an idea there how open that is all the way through. Nice tall opening doors and easy access to get inside there. When you come along to the front, I mentioned to you, you do have larger propane tanks. Again, this particular floor plan does come with a more standard tires and wheels and the 5-gallon tanks on there instead of the 7s. So you do end up having some differences there we can discuss if you want to give me a call at that phone number you see at the end of the video. Again, my name is Tom Peterson. I'll be able to answer those questions for you. And just write them down and give me a call. I'd love to help. You have diamond plate that does run along this lower portion. And then that rest of that more traditional front end on these lend a little more headroom inside that bed area instead of some of the real sharp curved coaches and trailers do end up having a little bit of restriction sometimes for headroom inside that area. You do have a power tongue jack option on here, which is nice to have. That's lighted with an LED light. And in general, again, this 264 BHW model is a great floor plan. It does have Jayco's 2-year warranty, and that's something that is an awesome thing that they do to make sure that you take care of their customers, make sure that you're happy with your product that you do purchase. And you know, if there's any more questions you have at the end of this video, please give me a call. Again, it's Tom Peterson, been here about 28 years, would love to help. And we'll talk to you next time. And remember, at Guarantee, it's an RV show every day.